Retirement is often seen as a time to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But it's also a phase where holding on to outdated essentials can silently jeopardize your health, safety, and savings. Many retirees take pride in making every dollar count, which sometimes means clinging to familiar items long past their prime. From trusty old cars to outdated insurance policies, this reluctance to replace certain items can quietly put you at risk. But here's the part most people miss. Letting go of these 5 things could be one of the smartest moves you make in retirement, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. 1. Outdated life insurance policies. It's easy to understand why retirees hold on to life insurance policies they've had for decades. After all, letting go of something that's been a constant can feel like a waste. But here's where it gets controversial. Many of these policies no longer serve a real purpose, especially if they lack long-term care coverage. As Evan Fair, a certified elder law attorney, points out, a retiree who is still healthy can often switch to a hybrid policy that combines life insurance with long-term care, offering both a death benefit and peace of mind for future needs. Isn't it worth considering if it could protect your savings and independence? Thought-provoking, right? Number 2, traditional bathtubs and showers. The bathroom you've used for years might feel like an old friend, but this is the part most people miss. Traditional tubs and showers can become safety hazards as mobility declines. Aging-in-place expert Mike Peck emphasizes, walk-in tubs and showers aren't just about convenience. They're about preventing falls and ensuring safety. Yes, renovations can be costly. Think $5,000 to $8,000. But Yehuda Tropper, CEO of Becca Life Settlements, warns, one bad fall can upend your life and erase years of savings. Isn't safety worth the investment? 3. Home security systems. That trusty old alarm system might feel reliable, but here's the kicker. Outdated systems often lack essential software updates, leaving them vulnerable to hacking or technical failures. Human Shahadi of SimpliSafe explains, older systems can't always alert emergency services or keep up with modern threats. Upgrading might seem unnecessary, but it's about more than just security. It's about peace of mind, especially when you're traveling. Isn't it better to stay one step ahead of potential risks? 4. Gas-powered lawn tools. There's a certain pride in keeping that old mower running, but this is where it gets tricky. Heavy, gas-powered tools can become dangerous as strength and mobility decline. Tyler Meyer, a certified financial planner, notes, switching to lightweight, battery-powered tools costs a few $100s, but makes yard work safer and less exhausting. Sure, it's a change, but isn't it worth it to enjoy your yard without the strain? 5. Beloved cars without safety features. Your car might be more than just a vehicle. It's a treasure trove of memories. But here's the hard truth. Older cars often lack critical safety features, like automatic emergency braking or blind spot monitoring. AAA highlights that these features significantly reduce crash risks, yet millions of older cars still lack them. Letting go of a beloved car is tough, but isn't your safety and that of others worth the upgrade? Final thought. Retirement is about enjoying life, not clinging to the past. Which of these changes would you find hardest to make? And do you think the benefits outweigh the emotional attachment? Let's discuss in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.